second test after some debris was found to be inside the valve still, and we're using the knocking handle to tighten the valve, and in the prescribed manner. The 6-inch valve for class 600 is on the next stage to having a gearbox, but the knocking handle is standard on this valve. And after the valve is done up tight, the valve will be tested at the pressure at 112 bar. Pump is now on. We're waiting to see. Pressure gauge, high pressure pump is now engaged to raise the pressure and start the pressure.
Stop. Hang around, wait. Just let the pressure off, not hammer it with the wall. Sorry, it's still also.